Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Photopea on your Windows 11 computer so you can open it like a normal desktop app. Photopea is a free online photo editor that works directly in your browser, but you can also add it to Windows 11 for quicker access. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can also use Microsoft Edge if you prefer. In the search bar, type Photopea, then open the official website, photopea.com. Once the website loads, wait for Photopea to fully open. Now go to the top right corner of your browser and click the three-dot menu. If you're using Google Chrome, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Photopea. Now click Install to confirm. Windows will now add Photopea as an app on your computer. Once it's installed, Photopea should open automatically in its own app window. But if it doesn't open, you can search for Photopea from the Start menu and launch it from there. You can also pin it to your taskbar or create a desktop shortcut so you can open it anytime with just one click. And that's it. You have successfully added Photopea on Windows 11. Now you can use Photopea for editing photos, creating designs, working with PSD files, and more, without opening the website manually every time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials.